Hi everyone, so this is a new video to demonstrate the new Class 68 sound file that will be available on Zimo decoders. This will be available through Digitrains exclusively. I'll let you have a listen to it and see how we get on from here. This is being played on an MS decoder. Unfortunately there are a few little gremlins with the MS firmware. That means there will be a few things that won't quite go to plan, i.e. the speed lock and the ETH mode don't quite work correctly, but with time that will get better. On the standard MX decoder it will be perfectly fine. So anyway, I'll start her up and we'll go from there. So you've got playable horns on 3 and 4. Brake application and brake release, so putting the brakes on and letting the brakes off. You also have the general sort of release when you drive the locomotive as well. So if I activate the drive, you get the brake release just before the loco moves. So what you'll be able to do now as well, once you've hooked up to your Mark 5s in this case, waiting for my set to come, you'll be able to activate the ETH mode, which is the electric train heating. So this is simply done by pushing F8. What it will do is it will now mean that this is effectively your new idle. So the engine is powering the generator, which in turn then powers the electric train heating on board your Mark 5 coaches, etc. What we'll now do is we'll activate F7, which is your speed lock, and what we'll be able to do now is let you have a listen to the full project as we go up through the notches. So we'll start with notch 1. Sorry, this will be notch 2 actually, because your ETH mode's enabled. Notch 3. Notch 4. Notch 5. And notch 6. We'll now come down. So tiny little one there. We'll drop again. Just now playing with the project, so going up and down the revs, just to show you how quickly it transitions between them. If you drop your speed steps more than 50, it will drop down to a coast, or in this case Notch 1 because your ETH mode is enabled. The loud high-pitched whine you're hearing in the background is unfortunately the thyristor sound. Now normally on an MX decoder this won't be played, but for some reason when you engage F7, the speed lock on an MS decoder, it's activating the thyristor sound even though the locomotive's not moving. On an MX decoder this does not happen. So yeah, just simply turning off the F7 key and it will drop down and get rid of the thyristor sound. There's lots of other ancillary sounds in the project, extra horns, wiper sound, sander. I've tried to make it as comprehensive to the locomotive as I can. Things like your AWS ding sounds to give you a clear AWS. You've got the compressor on there as well, so you can hear just running in the background. Actually, that's a random sound as well as activated on F6. You've also got all your lighting features on there as well. So activating F0 gives you your white lights and the tail lights. Turning on F10 puts it in train mode, so you lose your red tail lights on the opposite end direction of travel. F15 gives you your halo lights, and F20 is a parked mode or a stabling mode, so basically you'll have red lights at both ends of the locomotive. I hope that's a good video for you guys. I hope you like it. As I say, it is available on MX decoders now. I have an MS decoder in this one as we speak, mainly because I'm doing some development for them. It's also quite nice to hear the sound quality upgrades that are going to happen from the MX to the MS. So as time progresses on, that will get better and the features will get better, and hopefully we'll be able to bring out the MS decoder. It's not in the pipeline anytime soon, but as I say, this project is available on MX decoders, no problem. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. I'll do the YouTube thing and say like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see updates on future projects and more stuff that I'm doing with my railways and layouts, etc. Take care all, bye for now.